Hello students, in our previous class we have seen inverse square law derivation with the help of Kepler's law, and then we have seen what is a small g. It is acceleration due to gravity, and we have derived its formula. G is equal to capital G m upon r square. Now from that formula, how the questions can be framed. First type of the question is show that small g value is 9.77 on the surface of the earth. So how we are going to prove this, that the value of g, small g on the surface of the earth is 9.77, which we will be rounding up to 9.8 sometimes when we solve sums. So how you will go with the answer of this question? You will first say we know that small g is equal to gm upon r square. Then go on mentioning where capital G is 6.673 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square, right? Then what was the capital M? It was the mass of the earth, and this is 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg. Okay, capital R in the denominator is radius of the earth, which is 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 meter. So this you need to remember. These are the values for earth. Earth का mass है 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg और earth का radius है 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 meter. Okay, now when I substitute these three values in this formula, I will get the value of G on the surface of the earth. So let's do that. 6.673 into 10 raised to minus 11. Mass of the earth is 6 into 10 raised to 24 upon radius square I want. So it will be 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 square, right? If we solve all this, 6.673 into 6 we will take together, 10 raised to minus 11, 10 raised to 24 and 6.4 square. This will become 6 2s are 12. If you are going to solve this, you will get 9.77 meter per second square. So this is the value of G on the surface of the earth, right? We remember this value on the surface of the earth, so you need not solve. For verification you can solve, but if this comes for 2 marks, you can directly write the answer. Okay, next question based upon this can be what? Show that small g is same for all the objects. Okay, this can be give reason why small g value is the same for all the objects. You will start your answer by saying that small g formula is this, which is containing values which are constant. You are not having small m, that is mass of the object in this formula, meaning small g value is independent of the mass of the object. So it will be same for all the objects, whether your object is heavy or lightweight. Small g value, that is acceleration due to gravity of earth, is going to be same for all the bodies irrespective of their nature or mass. Okay, so this was one question based upon small g value. Now there is one sum in our exercise from question number 5b. Okay, what is that? The radius of the planet A, the radius of the planet A is half the radius of the planet B. So in the solution, what I will note? The radius of planet A I will take as what? RA. It is given that this is half the radius of the planet B, right? Radius of planet A, that is RA, is half the radius of planet B. If mass of the earth, if the mass of the planet A is MA, what is the mass of the planet B? So we have to find out what is MB, right? What more information is given? G value on B. So I will write small g value on the surface of the planet B is half that of the planet A. So GB is half of GA. Okay, this is given. How our solution will go? This is based simply upon formula G is equal to GM upon R square. We know this formula. So you will be writing this formula for planet A and for planet B. So we will write for planet A, this formula will change in this way. Ga is equal to, capital G will be universal constant, so as it is, mass of A upon radius of A square. So this is let us say equation 1. Then for planet B we will have GB is equal to capital G as it is, because it is universal constant, and I am writing second equation for planet B. Now I just want to find out what is the mass of planet B using these two equations. Now you will divide equation 1 by 2. So what you get, GMA GA upon GB. This is your left hand side, right? And right hand side will be what? GMA upon RA square divided by GMB divided by RB square. Now we will substitute the values, and this GA I will be writing in this way, and GB value we know it is half of GA, so we will substitute its value. It is half of GA. GB value we have substituted. This we know it will change in this way, capital G as it is, MA is what I want to find out, RA is half of RB, so I will be having half of RB square. If I multiply, this will be inverted, right? So you will get RB square upon GMB. G gets cancelled, RB square will get cancelled, right? GA will get cancelled. What I will get? I will be left with this half. 2 will go up, so it is 2 on left hand side, and on right hand side we are having only MA, right, upon half of MB. This is half square, so this is going to be 1 by 4. If it goes up, it will become 4 MA upon MB on denominator as it is, and this 2. Now we want to find out MB, right? So MB I will take here, and 4 by 2 of MA is 2 of MA. So that's the final answer. Okay, the final answer is MB is equal to 2MA. Students, just let me know if you have any doubt in this question number 5B. See you in our next video.